In the winter, it is generally recommended to reverse the direction of ceiling fans so that they rotate clockwise instead of counterclockwise. This can help to distribute warm air that rises to the ceiling, pushing it down towards the floor and creating a more even temperature throughout the room. In the summer, it is generally recommended to set your ceiling fan to rotate counterclockwise. When the fan rotates in this direction, it creates a downward airflow that creates a cooling effect on the skin. This can make you feel up to 8 degrees cooler, which can allow you to turn up air conditioning or it less frequently, saving energy and money on your utility bills.